two activities that we've used with, to promote our bilingualism. We always embrace St David's Day, and all our students get together and they put on really fantastic displays of Welsh hairstyles or inspired hairstyles. We look at sort of famous Welsh hairstylists within the areas. We look at Welsh businesses, hairdressing businesses, and all the students get involved in creating bilingual displays and looking at aspects of our Welsh culture. We also embrace the Welsh Baccalaureate in college, and this gives all our students the fantastic chance to look at all aspects of our culture in Wales, as well as choosing Welsh for our Welsh language unit as well. The sort of resources that we've developed within the hairdressing and beauty therapy section, we endeavour to try and get all our PowerPoint presentations, all our teaching materials bilingual, obviously. We also have created lots of posters which are bilingual throughout the hairdressing section. Our Innovate project last year were to develop our bilingual strategy even further, and what we decided to do, we had like phrases and words of the week, so instead of using the word colour, we would use the word lliw at all times whenever it came up within our teaching. So the resources as much as possible, and we, as I say, we encourage all our students as well to use those resources and encourage them to use their Welsh language as much as possible.